I got you. Daisha Shakila is here. I'm going to tell you guys some fun things that you should do when you're bored. Now, the first thing to do when you're bored is to play a game. I love board games. Guess who? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait until my kids learn how to play Monopoly because I'm ready to play this version. I love board games, but what do my kids love? My kids love Roblox or Roll something. They love it. They love that. They love Minecraft and Mario Kart. I'm a traditionalist, so I like to play a game, but that's my first tip, guys. Play a game. It always get that adrenaline, you know? It just makes the day better. It just takes your mind off of the everyday. It's time to play. My second tip for things to do when you're bored is to paint a birdhouse. How lovely. You know, a fancy birdhouse. Now this birdhouse, the wood parts, they are sold at the dollar store. I mean Dollar General, dollar, really $1. It comes with the glue and everything, and the paint was 50 cents from Walmart. So get yourself a little birdhouse, make a nice little painting. The birdies will thank you. All right, so the third thing that you want to do is soak your feet. Scrub those heels, scrub those toes, soak your feet. This vibrates. I found this at Walmart for about 20 bucks. Or if you have a normal bucket, if you have a regular bucket, you can soak your feet and watch some good movies on Netflix. I love it. I turn on a good show. I put my feet. I put my feet in the bucket and I soak my feet while I watch movies. Now my fourth tip is to give yourself a facial. Who needs large pores? I love this. This is a self-heating. It heats up immediately, once you put it on. Charcoal mask. I love it. Also, these are gold under eye patches. Let me tell you guys, I get this and my cucumbers and I lay. Yes, I do this and I watch a good movie, and by the time I take everything off, my skin is looking amazing. This ain't even makeup. I did the eyebrows and the little lipstick, but that's it. No makeup, guys. Keep your skin looking good by giving yourself a facial. My fifth tip is to bake some goodies and use the box. I'm not a baker, but once I use Betty Crocker, or what's the other lady name? Mrs. Hines. Once I do that, guys, I'm like the baker of the century. You can combine both of these. You can come up with your own creation and make your family eat it. It's hilarious. I've done it. Wow. But it came out good, and I let my kids do it to me, where they create or bake whatever they want to bake, and then I have to eat their creation. Have some fun and loosen up. My sixth tip is to read a book or have one read to you. If you're into Audible, which I love, have somebody read you a book or take the time to read a book. You can also read something educational. You can learn some new tricks. There's a whole world in books. Seventh tip is to work out. Work on that body, ladies. Work on that body, gentlemen. Do some Carlos, get that workout done. Get it done, people. The tip is to meditate and clear your mind. I love guided meditations as well as music meditation. I love visual meditation. I love chanting meditation. So get in tune with yourself and meditate. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, you can meditate for hours. It's your brain just does the work for you, guys. Meditate. The ninth thing I think you guys should do to prohibit boredom is to color. I love adult coloring books. Oh my gosh. You guys want to see a page that I colored? Like, let me show you guys that I can color in the lines. I'm just kidding, no. But color is fun and it's a stress reliever. And for my 10th and final tip is to sleep. Get some rest, get some beauty rest, rest your eyes. And besides, who doesn't like to sleep unless you're a kid and you're like 5 and 6 and you hate nap time? It's above you. But for us adults out there, us 20-somethings, us 30-somethings, 40s, 50s, whatever age you are, everybody could use some good sleep, some beauty rest to rejuvenate and have more energy for whatever's to come. And my bonus tip is to make something. I love to make little bracelets. I make them with my daughter. We like to make little, bracelets. Make something. Make a picture. My friend, she loves making throw pillows. Make something. Get creative. Let your creative juices flow. Okay, some bonus tips of what to do when you're bored. Some bonus tips. Because guys, I'm a mommy. I can think of these things like boom, bam, boom, bam. Watch a podcast. Learn something new. Check out some YouTube videos such as the one you're watching right now. One of the things I like to do is watch travel YouTube videos. See somewhere you never saw before. We're quarantined, so we can't really travel. And a lot of people have banned the United States, but you can go there. You can go there through a YouTuber. You can look at some travel vlogs. You can see the oceans. Go. You can build a fort with your kids. You can build a fort even if you don't have kids. You just want to build a fort. Make it your greatest fort yet. Record it and post it on your Instagram or your Facebook. Be a fort builder. Be a fort knight. Wow. I just figured out how they did that fort knight. You get it like a knight in shining armor. The knight protects the fort. Did y'all get that? Huh. Also, you can paint your nails. You can clean out your inbox on Instagram, your email inbox, like your work inbox. You can clear out all of that junk mail. Get rid of that spam. You have time. Also, you can call your mom. You can call your grandma. And let me just say, grandmas love to talk. They can talk for hours and hours and hours. So if you're really bored, go see your grandma or go call her on the phone. I guarantee you won't be bored no more. Also, another thing that I love, and I didn't even think about it, but I just thought about it as I was making this video, is to journal. I love to journal. A lot of people call it a diary. A lot of people call it a journal. I have both. I have a journal for fitness. I have a journal for personal. Okay, so this is my personal journal. This is like all my private business. Not that my life is like that exciting that I need a private personal journal, but this is personal. This is my fitness journal. Like inside it gives you like a little motivational quote. You set your fitness goals for the day. You set your weight. It does not make you weigh yourself every day, but every 3 days you write down your weight and stuff like that. I love this. Got it at Staples. And this is my business journal. So this is where if I have a business idea or something creative I want to do for a video, it's going in here. So I have 3 separate journals. I'm a journaler. I love to write. My cousin is like, why do you write everything? That is an invasion of privacy if someone should find it. Yo, respect people's journaling privacy. That's what I say. Don't tell the journaler to stop journaling. Tell the reader to stop being nosy in their business. All right, guys, thank you for sticking around. I am done. These are my ideas. I don't even know. I think it was like 17 if you include the bonuses. But you guys should not be bored. There's so much to do. You can do yoga and I could go on. But again, I am stopping this video. I just keep thinking of ideas. Come back next time. It's been a pleasure to share the wacky world of Daisha's brain with you. And I hope you have a great day. Mwah, besos.